In today's video, I'm going to teach you the item Grammarly desktop can't be moved to the trash because it's open. If you're seeing an error about an item not being moved to the trash, a quick refresh of your Grammarly workspace and clearing out its trash can often resolve it. We'll walk through a simple cleanup in the Grammarly web app. Then try the action again so you can get back to work without that warning. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. This gives us a quick, consistent way to reach the official Grammarly site without typing long URLs. In the search bar, type Grammarly and hit enter. You should see the official Grammarly result appear near the top. This route helps you avoid any lookalike links and ensures you land in the right place. Click the official Grammarly website result to open your Grammarly dashboard. Make sure you're viewing your document list area. You'll typically see folders and navigation on the left, and your files on the right. Next, look for the trash section within the Grammarly interface. It's usually listed in the left-hand sidebar. Open the trash to review what's in there. If you've accumulated a lot of deleted items, that can sometimes interfere with new deletions or move to trash actions. Click the Empty Trash button. This prepares a full cleanout of everything you've previously deleted inside Grammarly. Remember, this permanently removes those items from your Grammarly account, so be certain there's nothing you still need. When prompted, click Empty Trash again to confirm. This confirmation step is intentional, so you don't clear anything by accident. Once confirmed, Grammarly will permanently erase those trashed items. Now, refresh the website. A fresh page load ensures the interface updates and any temporary hiccups are cleared. After the refresh completes, your trash should appear empty and your workspace should be up to date. With the workspace cleaned up and refreshed, try moving your documents to the trash again. The action that previously triggered the can't be moved because it's open style message should now complete smoothly. If you're working across multiple tabs or windows, keep in mind that items can sometimes appear in use when they're still open elsewhere, so keeping your Grammarly session to a single tab can help. That's it. By reaching Grammarly from Google, opening the trash, emptying it, confirming the removal, refreshing the page, and retrying your move to trash action, you should be able to resolve the issue quickly and continue organizing your documents without interruption.